No pure devotee has any anxiety. Prahlad Maharaj said, "My Lord, you're offering me all kinds of boons and benedictions, my Lord Nrsingadev. But I don't have any anxiety. I'm always absorbed in Vishnu Smaranam." He attained this perfection by Vishnu Smaranam, Prahlad Maharaj. I have no fear of death. I have no fear of anything or anyone in this world. I have no shortages, and I am facing no obstacles, and I have no limitations, because I have you, my Lord. You're always in my heart, always in my mind, always in my words. But I do have one anxiety. I'm anxious. I'm anxious for all the conditioned souls. I'm anxious for all the conditioned souls suffering in the grips of the illusory energy. Can you do something to liberate them, to benefit them? So that's the only anxiety of the living entities that are in Vaikuntha consciousness, in Vasudev Chit. The pure devotees are in Vasudev Chit, or Vishuddha Sattva. They're in pure goodness. They're existing in the spiritual dimension. Although they're in the material body, their body is totally spiritualized, like an iron rod in the fire. You take a black iron rod and immerse it in the fire for a half hour, it becomes blazing red hot. Changes its color, it changes its actions. Now that iron rod becomes a fire rod, and it can burn other things. So this is called fireized, by association with fire. So when one becomes always associating with the Lord, he becomes spiritualized. His material body becomes spiritualized. Not spiritual completely, but spiritualized. It can act spiritually, influence others spiritually, and experience transcendence. This is called Sarup Siddhi in its highest development. So devotees are living in Vaikuntha consciousness. They're living in the Vaikuntha atmosphere. So therefore there is no anxiety. Prasannatma, nasochati nakangshati samasraveshu bhuteshu madbhaktim labhate param. Brahma bhuta prasannatma nasochati nakangshati samasraveshu bhuteshu madbhaktim labhate param. Prasannatma. Then he's steady in happiness and distress, and he's very dear to me. If he gets happiness, it's the mercy of Krishna, Krishna's mercy. Let me use it for Krishna's service. Let me not squeeze it or enjoy it or claim it to be my own. Oh, this is happiness coming to me. Oh, let me share this Krishna conscious happiness with others. I see unhappy people. Let me share my happiness with them and elevate them to bhakti. Not let me just enjoy my happiness and gloat over it and relish it for my own mental satisfaction or physical satisfaction. That is the materialist. But the devotee doesn't. He's steady in happiness and distress. Krishna, you give me happiness? Very nice. Oh, you give me distress? That's also your mercy. So someone who has this type of attitude and these type of outlooks on this type of behavioral pattern, then he becomes such a Maipriya. He becomes very dear to Krishna.